Hey friends, thank you for stopping by on my channel. I'm so thankful and excited you're welcome. So today in this video, I'm going to be sharing an updated moisture routine on how I keep my mini braids moisturized and how I seal in the moisture. In my previous video, I had shared on how I'm moisturizing my short fussy hair in order to retain length. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing an updated version of that. I had shared a video on how I made this leave-in spray with rosemary and hibiscus, and trust me, I have been enjoying it. I have been loving the process because we all know, or if you do not know, rosemary is a powerful herb that helps in the general health of your hair. It helps in growth, it helps to strengthen your strands, and hibiscus is also a powerhouse. So what I'm just doing here, as you can see in this video, I'm just lightly, the word I'm using is lightly, I am lightly spraying this leave-in spray on my head, because as you can see from this video, and as we all know, hibiscus has a very strong color. Yes, so you don't want to apply it too much so that you don't get stained on your dress, especially if you have to go out immediately or after some hours. You do not want that. Yeah, so I'm just lightly spraying it on my hair, and then I'm using the tip of my fingers to basically distribute it evenly on my scalp. After I was done with that, what I do is that I go in on the strands of my hair. So I go in with this spray on my mini braids, and then when I do that, I intentionally try not to manipulate my hair too much, because you know the hair is growing, and because your hair is growing, you do not want to manipulate the hair, because when you manipulate it, it will cause breakage, and it will also cause your hair to split, which you do not want. So I'm just gently dapping this liquid leave-in spray on my hair. I'm doing that lightly, and then I'm also dapping it on my hair. Guys, you would want to try hibiscus and rosemary leave-in spray if it's something you've not tried before. I have tried it and my edges have really grown. I cannot wait to share the before and after progress of this challenge I am doing. This is still week 1, but this is day 3 in my week 1, and I'm already loving the process. My edges are so full, my hair feels so thick already, and I think I made the best decision to use rosemary and hibiscus for this particular challenge. Is rosemary something you have tried before, or have you tried it with another herb? I would like to know in the comment section. What I also do is that I use the leftover and just apply on my edges. This works so well. You do not want to apply so much on your edges because of course it's almost on your face. I just used my hands to rub it on my edges, and that was really enough. The next thing I do is that I use this olive oil, hair growth oil, on my scalp. I just also lightly apply this because remember the hair is a little bit damp from that leave-in spray, so you don't want to apply too much, you don't want to do too much. You also want to be light-handed when you are doing this. So I apply all this oil on my scalp. I apply from my edges to the sides of my hair, that's my 2 ears, and then I also go in with this my back, that's the back of my hair. I also use the tip of my fingers to ensure that I distribute this oil all over my scalp. I also feel like it's also a way of massaging the scalp. We know the importance of massaging your scalp. It helps in blood circulation, and when there's proper blood circulation on the scalp of your hair, it will basically help to promote hair growth. So that is what I'm just doing. I am lightly massaging this on my hair. If you have mini braids on and you are moisturizing your hair, one thing I'm going to tell you is that you don't want to be too rough on that hair. Yes, you don't want to be too rough on the hair. You don't want to be so in a rush. You don't want to be too fast. What you want to do, you want to be light-handed in everything you're doing. You would want to be gentle. You would want to be relaxed, because you don't want to be handling your hair in a very rough way. that will cause breakage, that will also cause hair loss. And we know that when you're losing hair, you cannot retain length. Now the next thing I do is that I go in with this leave-in conditioner from Canto in the avocado. This is what I have been using on this channel, and I really love this leave-in conditioner because it's very thick and it helps me to retain length. So you want to check out a leave-in conditioner that actually works for you, that actually loves your hair and your hair loves it, something that will actually basically just fit into what you would want to achieve. So what I do is that I ensure that this leave-in conditioner goes through all the strands of my hair. So right now I have applied on the left side of my hair. I also applied on the right side of my hair, and this is me just going in at the back of my hair because I want this leave-in conditioner to soak in every strand of my hair. As you can see, I'm even applying more. Yes, this is because I do not do this routine every day. I basically do this routine 4 times a week. I don't want to do it every day intentionally because I want to see the progress. So I do this 4 times a week, and I want it to last longer on my hair. And this is what my hair looks like after I applied the leave-in conditioner. Guys, my hair feels so lush already. It feels like something good has actually happened to it, and I know something good happens to it. The next thing I do is that I go in with my shea butter. I love shea butter because my hair loves it too, because of all the benefits that shea butter gives to both your hair, your skin, and all those things. And when I'm going in with my shea butter, I really do not apply a lot. I apply just a little because the leave-in conditioner is already so heavy, and I feel like applying so much shea butter will make the hair overly weighed down, if you get what I mean. So I just basically try to be light-handed when I'm applying my shea butter. But I also try to be generous. As you can see, I'm applying more. I also try to be generous when I'm applying it. So I'm applying it on the ends of my hair and on the strands of my hair. I do not apply this on my scalp. I had said this in my previous videos. I do not apply thick creams on the scalp of my hair because I feel and I know for sure that it's going to clog my scalp. So guys, this is what my hair looks like. It's so lush, there are no tangles, and it feels so refreshed. Have you tried rosemary and hibiscus before? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.